Okay, let's have a look at some homeworks. The first homework I'd like to show everybody today is Hannah's homework. Hannah, could you please do me a favor and read your homework for the rest of the class?
If I were stranded on a deserted island, I think the three most important items to have would be food, water, and shelter. Firstly, I think one of the most important items is the shelter. It will keep us safe from harsh weather. When it rains or when there is a storm, the shelter could keep us safe and warm, and we won't be wet or cold. Next, I think we would also need food. It will keep us healthy. For example, if we brought food with us, we won't be hungry, so we would feel better. Lastly, we need water to bring with us. It would help us stay hydrated. For example, it will keep us healthy and we won't be thirsty. If we needed water and we drank from the ocean or sea, it could harm us. From my reason and examples, I can conclude that food, water, and shelter are the three most smart items to bring when we're stranded on a deserted island.
Good girl, Hannah. Sorry, there's just one mistake here that I did not see. So most smart, have a look. Our adjective is smart. Smart has one syllable. So what we have to do here is we change this word smart into smartest. So I didn't see that. There we go. So we could say, from my reasons and examples, I can conclude that food, water, and shelter are the three smartest items to bring when we're stranded on a deserted island. Good girl, Hannah. Really, really, really well done. Have a look at Hannah's work, everybody. Hannah has structured her work perfectly. Let me get my highlighter. First things first, Hannah gives me her opinion. If I were stranded on a deserted island, I think the three most important items to have would be food, water, and shelter. She then goes on to give me her reasons. She starts by saying, firstly, I think one of the most important items is shelter. She says it would keep us safe from harsh weather. She then goes on to give me an example of how this would happen. She explains that when it rains or when there is a storm, the shelter would keep us safe and warm, and we wouldn't be wet or cold. She moves on to her second reason. Her second reason should be about why, well, it's not necessarily in order, but that's okay. Her second reason is all about food. So here she talks about why she wants to have food. She says, next, I think we would also need food. It would keep us healthy. She then goes on to give a reason to explain how food keeps us healthy. She explains, for example, if we had food, we wouldn't go hungry, so we would feel better. If you don't have any food, you're going to feel very tired and lethargic, and you're not going to be able to do much. She then goes on to her final reason. Her final reason is all about water. She says, lastly, we need to bring water with us. It would help us stay hydrated. She then goes on to give examples to support this reason. She says, for example, it would keep us healthy and we wouldn't be thirsty. If we needed water and we drank from the ocean or sea, it could harm us. So drinking ocean or seawater is very bad for you. Firstly, it's dirty. And secondly, we cannot drink salt water. We need fresh water to drink. Drinking salt water would make us very ill. And then Hannah goes on to give her opinion one last time. She explains that from her reasons and examples, she concludes that food, water, and shelter are the three smartest items to bring when we're stranded on a deserted island. Hannah has followed my structure perfectly. You can see the Oreo structure: opinion, reason, example, reason, example, reason, example, and then opinion again. She's structured her writing perfectly. She's given me really good reasons to support why she wants these items. She's given me clear examples that support her reasons. And she's given me compound sentences and some simple sentences. So good job, Hannah. Well done to you. Can everyone please unmute and give Hannah a big round of applause for her homework? Good job, Hannah. Really, really well done. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and start our lesson today. So today is phonics. When we start a new lesson, you guys know that the first thing we do is we always learn about phonics. So I know we love to learn about phonics, so I'm very, excited to start the lesson. Today, we're going to be learning about two sounds. The first sound we're learning about is the K sound. Now, firstly, can everyone please unmute and sit quietly? Everybody. So Tweety, Emma, Hacker, Leo, Leka, and Kwang Ming Sao, waiting for you.
Unmute me already.
Okay. All right, guys. Everyone say after me. K. Good. Now, guys, can we try and say it at the same time? So here we go. 1, 2, 3. K. Okay, good. Now repeat after me. K. Good. So let's try and say it at the same time, guys. So after I say it, I want you all to try and say it at the same time. 1, 2, 3. K.
Go.
Okay. So let's try that again, guys. Let's try and say it at the same time. I want to give everyone extra effort points for pronouncing this so well. So listen to me, okay? I'll say the sound K. You listen and you repeat K. Okay, I'll go first. K. Okay, good. That was best the third time round. Let's try again the next time so we can get some extra effort points for that. Okay, guys, so the K sound can be spelled in 3 different ways. We can spell it with the letter C, the letter K, or letter C and K together. If we're using letter C and K together, it's usually coming at the end of a word. Now, let's have a look. Can you guys tell me what you think the word is I'm trying to get you to guess with this first picture? What word can you think of that has the K sound spelled with a letter C? Leo?
It's carrot.
Brilliant. Good job, Leo. I'm looking for the word carrot. 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 Carrot has the K sound at the beginning, spelled with a letter C. Okay, let's have a look at this next picture. What do you think I'm trying to get you guys to think of with this picture? I'm looking for a K sounding word that has the spelling with a letter K. What do you think, Le Kang?
I think it's king.
Brilliant. Good girl, Le Kang. It is the word king. 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 The word king has the K sound, but instead of a letter C, it has a letter K. Okay, last one. Who thinks they know what this is? I'm looking for a word that has the K sound spelled CK. Hannah has her hand up. Good job, Hannah. Okay, Hannah, go ahead.
It is truck.
Brilliant. Good girl, Hannah. I'm looking for the word truck. Here is a garbage disposal truck. The word truck has the K sound. Truck. Here, the word truck has the K sound spelled with letters C and K at the end. Okay, can everyone please unmute and sit quietly? Let's see if we can. Okay, Hacker, I'll come to you afterwards. Let's see if we can get extra effort points with our pronunciation here. Okay, if you have a loud house, I'm just going to mute you. Okay. All right, guys, everyone say after me. Carrot.
Carrot.
Good. Okay, we're on the road to getting some extra effort points. Next, king.
King.
Good. Ooh. Okay, let's try again. One more. Say after me. Truck. Very good. Okay, Ocean and Sal, you don't have your microphones on. So Miss Autumn, sorry, not Miss Autumn, Miss Lan, could you give everyone else some extra effort points for pronouncing their words so well? Good job. Okay, Hacker, what is your question?
My question is what carrot spell the carrot spells carrot, but they have an O.
Sorry, can you say, why is carrot spelled?
What is carrot spelled like this word is carrot?
Sorry, Hacker, I'm not sure what you're trying to say here. Can you try and ask the question one more time in a different way? Why is carrot spelled with?
If the carrot word here, it will be letter E.
Ah, I see. You think it sounds like it has an E sound, carrot?
Yes.
Yes, you are correct. Well done, Hacker. So here the word carrot is pronounced like this. In English, sometimes letter O has different sounds. Sometimes it can be the long O sound. Sometimes it can be the short sound. Here, the word carrot does have a little bit of an E sound. You're right. But this is just how we pronounce this word. Sometimes letters in English don't always sound like they should do. So there's no real answer for your question, Hacker. I'm sorry. So sometimes English can just be a little bit tricky, and sometimes certain words don't follow usual rules. Okay, guys. Now, I've got a little game for us. The next game, or the game we're going to play, looks a little bit like this. I'm going to remove these boxes. One of these boxes will move for just a second and a picture will be revealed. Then I will cover the picture again. You have to try and guess what the picture is showing you. I'll give you a clue. All of the pictures are K words spelled with C and K. Okay? If you think you know what the answer is, type it into the chat box. The first person to type the answer correctly will win some extra effort points. Okay? You got it? All right. Let's have a look, guys. So you have to keep your eyes peeled. These pictures are only going to come on the screen for just a second. Okay? Here we go, everybody. Make sure you're looking at the screen. Okay. 1, 2, 3. The chat box and type your answer. Remember what I said. The word will end, or the word will have CK in it. Okay, it's a CK word. Quite, I'm getting some really good guesses, but not quite. Okay, so some of you guys are saying boats and ships. You're right, there were boats and ships in this picture. Now, remember, it has to be a CK word. I'll give you another clue. It's a place where boats and well, maybe not ships. It's a place where boats go and rest when they're not in use. It's where you leave a boat when it's not in use. It's where you park a boat. Not quite. This one's the most difficult one. I'm going to give 5 more seconds. Some of you guys have your hands up. Please remember that you're typing in the chat box. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, Hannah's got it. Good girl, Hannah. Hannah, could you please tell the class what it is?
It is a dock.
A dock. Good girl. So a dock is where you go to park your boat, like your yacht or your boat. A dock. Really good job. Sao, you said harbor, which is also another word for this. So really good job. But I was looking for a CK word. Miss Lan, please put Hannah down for some extra effort points there. Good girl, Hannah. Okay, guys, let's play another one. That was the most difficult one. All right. Keep your eyes peeled. Here we go, here we go, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Think about the spelling. Yes, Cindy, good girl. Okay, Cindy and Emma. Cindy, I'm going to ask you to unmute. Emma, Cindy and Emma, on the count of 3, tell me your answer. 1, 2, 3.
Lake.
Good. I was looking for the word lick. L-I-C-K, lick. The boy is licking the ice cream. You girls were the first girls to get it. Can you please give Cindy and Emma some extra effort points, please, Miss Lan? Good job. Lick is the word I was looking for. Good job, Sao and Leikang. You eventually got it. So a lot of you guys were saying ice cream, but the word I was looking for is lick. Brilliant. Okay, clever cookies. Let's play again. 1, 2, 3. Keep your eyes open. Oh, brilliant. That was so fast. Okay, so I'm going to give this to Hannah, Chi, and Emma. You guys got it correct. The first. Yep, no one else has got it quite yet. Hey, girls, on the count of 3, tell the class what the answer is. 1, 2, 3.
Neck.
Good. Your neck. So here I'm looking at the neck. This neck, or this part of your body is called your neck. N-E-C-K. Very good, girls. Miss Lan, could you please give extra points to Chi, Emma, and Hannah for getting that one right? Well done, girls. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Hannah, you're really good at this game. Okay, eyes peeled, everybody. Don't blink. 1, 2, 3. Go, 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 go. Okay, brilliant. Well done. Okay, so this time round, I had, oh, wow. You guys are so fast. I had quite a lot of winners this time round. So the first people were Hannah, Tweechi, Leikang, Leo, and Caroline. Okay, Leo and Caroline, could you shout out what the answer is? 1 second, 1 second. Where is Caroline? Where is Caroline? Ah, there you are, Caroline. Okay, Leo and Caroline, 1, 2, 3.
Socks.
Very good. The answer I was looking for here is socks. Well done. Miss Lan, could you please put all of those students down for extra effort points? Well done. You guys did get the answers too. So a lot of you guys were answering correctly, but these students were the first students and they all sent the message at the same time. Alrighty. Eyes peeled. No blinking. Kwang Ming, are you playing? You're looking at a different screen. I can see that your eyes are not on the Zoom screen. So Kwang Ming, please make sure you're looking at the Zoom screen. Everybody should be playing the game. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I've actually got the answer. So there were actually 2 answers I would have accepted here, and I've got both of these answers. Bit hard too, but Tweechi, you answered in the first second. Tweechi, go ahead. Tell me what you got.
I got the word sack.
Good. The word sack, the word sack is the word that I was looking for, but I would also accept the word what. Emma, where's Emma? Emma, what did you say?
Sack.
Say it again.
Sack.
Good. So sack and stack. I would accept both of these words. So here we have we have sacks, or we have a stack of sacks. Well done. Sal, you're messaging me saying I give up. Don't say that. Come on, try your best. You can do it. There's one more left, okay? I think everyone's going to get this one. Okay, come on for E9. Last one. Let's pull our socks up and try our best. 1, get your keyboards at the ready. 1, 2, 3. Go, 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 go. Brilliant. Okay. The last person who will get extra effort points will be Mingha, but so many of you guys typed that in quickly. Okay, extra effort points go to Emma, Hannah, Hacker, Lekang, Sao, and Mingha. You guys all answered at the same time within a couple of seconds. Well done. Okay, Hacker unmute, Lekang unmute, Sao unmute. Okay, you guys, on the count of 3, tell me what the answer is. 1, 2, 3. Good. Oops. It is a duck. Well done.
I think
Good.
it's a goose.
You what? Sorry?
I think it is a goose.
A goose. Not quite. So geese are usually white and they're much bigger than a duck. This is a mallard duck. Okay, well done, guys. You did a great job. Very fun. Okay, let's have a look. Now, we've got another sound to learn about today. So we've just learned about the k sound, and the k sound can be spelled in 3 different ways. C, like in carrot, K, like in king, and CK, like in truck. Now, for some extra effort points, I want to see if anyone can figure this out. This is a really difficult one. Now have a look here. The next sound we're looking at today is the qu sound. The qu sound can be spelled with letters Q and U. Qu, like in the word question. Can everyone please unmute and sit quietly while we practice saying this sound?
Miss Rachel, I have a question.
Okay, Caroline, one moment. I'll take it after we practice. Okay, Tweechi, Hannah, Leo, Mingha, you have not unmuted. Okay, everyone say after me. Qua. Good. And again, qua. Very good. One more time. Qua. Brilliant. Miss Lan, Mingha and Tweechi did not unmute their microphone, but can you give everyone else extra effort points for pronouncing that so well? Good job, everybody. All right, the qu sound. Okay, have a look at this. Oh, sorry, Caroline, you have a question. Where are you? Caroline, what's your question?
Is quick in the qu sound?
Yep, quick, qu, quick, qu. Good girl, well done. Now have a look. The qu sound sounds like K and W being said together, but we spell it with Q and U. Quick, question, queen. All right, have a look at this, guys. I will give extra effort points to anyone who can get this. Have a look. Glucose plus oxygen makes carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. This is something that shows how humans create energy. We breathe in and we eat food and we produce carbon dioxide and water and energy. This is something that you will learn in science and something that you will learn in math class as well. Any idea what this is? When we have chemicals together and we show what they produce. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not quite Leo. I think you're trying to say Quidditch in the chat box. Quest. Oh, that's a good word, a hacker, but it's not quite quest. Okay, have a look, guys. This is a really tough one. I put in a really tough one to try and challenge you guys. The word I'm looking for here is hey, equation. This is an equation. An equation is when we add together chemicals and we show what they produce. What you're looking at here is an equation to show how humans create energy. We breathe in and we eat food, we get glucose, and we turn this into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. This is known as an equation. Okay, good job, guys. All right, I've got another difficult one for you. Are you ready? Okay, still looking for the qu sound. Have a look. Something that we should have learned in math class. So I'm teaching language arts, but making it a bit scientific and a bit mathematical. Have a look. I'm looking for a word that has the qu sound and the QU spelling. And I'm looking for a word that describes these shapes. Well done. So Hannah's saying square. Good girl. There is a square in here, and you're right. Square has the qu sound. Square. Good girl. But the word I'm looking for is talking about all of these shapes. A parallelogram, a rectangle, a rhombus, a square. I call it a trapezium because I come from the UK. You might have learned it as a trapezoid if you have an American teacher, and a kite. It's a word I'm looking for that talks about shapes that have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. I'll help. Go ahead. Very good. That was super close, Hannah. Okay, guys, have a look. Oh, clever cookie. The word I'm looking for here is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. This is the word I was looking for. It's a really tough word. I wanted to challenge you guys today. Quadrilateral. Now, you will learn about this in math someday, math and English. Quadrilaterals are shapes that have 4 sides. So some of you guys were getting really close, like lekang, you spelled it incorrectly, but I know that you were trying to say this word, so good girl. So Miss Autumn, could you please, sorry, I keep saying Miss Autumn, Miss Lan, could you please give Hannah and lekang extra effort points there? Who can tell me what this word is in Vietnamese? Who can tell me what the word is in Vietnamese? Okay, go ahead, Leo. Very good, well done. That is the word that we use in Vietnamese. In English, we call it quadrilateral. So try and remember that from today's lesson. A shape with 4 sides is a quadrilateral. All right, let's practice saying this difficult word. Can everyone please unmute and sit quietly?
I learned this when I read one.
Whoa, hearing a lot of sound and I'm not sure what it is. Okay, guys, so we're meant to be sitting quietly. Okay. All right, much better. Now this is a long word, but let's try and say it together. Listen to me first. Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Good. Okay, just the girls this time. Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Very good. Okay, Miss Lam, please put the girls down for some extra effort points. Okay, quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Good job. Miss Lam, please put the boys down for some extra effort points too. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. A shape with 4 sides. Good job, clever cookies. All right, that's the end of our lesson for today. All right, guys, have a look. Your homework for tonight is 2 pages in your reader's notebook, page 29 and page 34. Then I'd like you to read over your new vocab words and definitions that Miss Lan will send to you. Okay, so for homework tonight, you've got 2 written homeworks about the k and kw sound, and then you're going to read over your new vocab words. Tomorrow we will start our vocab lesson, and after we've learned all 10 vocab words, we'll have a lesson where we review phonics and vocabs. Alrighty, do I have any questions about the phonics or about your homework? Guys, since there are no more questions, I'm going to stop sharing my screen with you. All right, gang, have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Until then, take care and bye-bye.